Hello, this is Nindy Kerr from Nindy's Creative Corner. We are going to make an alternate project using this card base from the August 2025 Farmhouse Flowers Paper Pumpkin Kit. So let's get started. We are going to use the largest die from the Textured Notes die set. And we are going to have it even with the bottom of the card base and centered so we get the flowers and stuff in. And we're going to make the card base a little crooked so that the die will go through easier. That first one is still going to be a challenge though. Now I didn't want the the piece quite as tall, so we are going to shorten it. And you just line it up so that it doesn't wiggle. And make sure it stays in place when you lay it down. Oh, you didn't need all that. Okay, you just needed to go over the very top part. So I guess we got it a tinge crooked, but that's okay. So there we go. Let me get rid of the cut and emboss machine. Okay, I couldn't decide whether I wanted a Lost Lagoon or a Calypso Coral card base. I like that one. I think I'm going with the Calypso Coral. Right, we are also going to stamp using Calypso Coral. Guess I should have pulled the stamp off first. I want just a note. There we go. And we are going to use one of these banners here with the tags with the rounded edge. There we go. And let's open our ink. Now just be careful so you don't get ink all over. And let's see if I can do this. I think we'll do it on that one because it's closer to me. Perfect, good. Now we will punch it out. It's just so much easier to punch when to stamp when it's in there. Get rid of that little circle and we'll add a little bow with some twine. I don't know, maybe we'll do it the other way. And double it, so we'll have more hanging out. So we'll twist this together to make it easier to go through the hole. I guess I should have cut the end. And I'll trim it later. And we'll trim this part too. And we'll get all these little ends through both of these loops. Yes, I should have practiced. There we go. Make a big hole, shove those through. And then pull it tight. So we should see where we want it. Okay, so just even them up. Spread them apart a little. And then we can glue everything on. You can use Stampin' Dimensionals if you want, but I'm just going to glue them. There we go. And spread a thin line all over. And try to make it even on the bottom and the sides. And you can decide whether you want it straight or crooked. I think I'm going to have it at an angle. And there we go, a quick and easy card from our paper pumpkin kit. Thanks for watching. See you next week.